Fuzzy regex, fuzzy count for substitution is always 1. I am using the Python regex module for approximate string matching. I have a DNA sequence which I would like to search for a specific pattern, while allowing for at most one substitution, s lower or equal than 1. In the DNA sequence, multiple patterns are acceptable. For example, the first 3 characters can either be gag or gat, and the same principle holds true for the rest of the DNA sequence. I made an example below, where I want to use regex search on a 9-character long string. To my understanding, the pattern should match the string without any substitution. However, regex gives me a match with a fuzzy count of 1 for substitutions, see below. I do not understand this, as the sequence matches the pattern. When I get rid of having multiple options for the 3 characters, this problem does not occur anymore. My question is, what am I doing wrong in pattern creation? Or am I misunderstanding how the fuzzy counts work? Any tips or improvements are welcome.
From the Regex module documentation. By default, fuzzy matching searches for the first match that meets the given constraints. In your case, the first match is obtained using gag and performing one substitution, since gag is tried before gat. You can use the best match flag to look for the best match instead. It gives
You could also use a character class to match either G or T with gar GT to find gat the first time. If you don't need the capture groups afterwards, you can make them non-capturing using column. Result. Python demo.
In order to support the channel, please consider subscribing.